Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix this error. Here you can see error 0x80070424. So it's error with Windows Firewall. So how we can fix it? First we need is just close our browser, go to Windows, and here we choose in search tab services, and here you choose services. So in services you need to find background intelligent. Here you can see it. So just right click on it, go to properties, automatic. Here it must be automatic or automatic delete start, and it must be start. So just click OK if everything is OK, and also I forget. We will open again properties, and here in log on must be local system account. So if everything else is okay, just click OK. After we do it, we go to DC-OM servers process, right click on it, properties, automatic, and start. So just click OK, and remote procedure call. Right click on it, properties, everything's okay. After we do it, we need Windows Defender Firewall. Windows Defender Firewall. Right click on it, properties, and everything's okay. And last we need to Windows Update. Is Windows Update. Windows Update. Here you can see Windows Update, properties, automatic, and start. Everything's okay. So just click OK. Now we just close it, go to search button again, to search tab, and just write troubleshoot. Here you can see it. So here we choose troubleshoot, Windows Update, run the troubleshooter, and now you just need some time to wait after it will detect all your problems and errors with Windows Update, and it will fix it after you restart your computer. So it will show you all the errors that will find, and also after it you just need to restart your computer. So just wait some time, after it will show you all your errors, and restart your computer after you see it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.